And now the official unpacking. Es wäre leichter, die Rakete in die Luft zu bringen. Oh, MacBook Pro. Yeah. Sure, huh? Hello world, the MacBook Pro unpacking. Now we will see what is inside. Now the random densering will show us the MacBook Pro inside. Oh, it's really nice. Voila. That is good. Really nice packed. Wow. Then we have a pair of C-type connector and the charging part. Very, very nice. Can we also draw? Yeah, that is the charger. And I suppose it has the connector like that for every market. See, that is for our here in Europe. Designed by Apple in California. MacBook Pro. Yeah, all the statistic data, what we have inside. And then some stickers. Okay. See them. And then, yeah, that is the box. Really, really, really nice. I'll put this back. Charger. I can see it here. It's really, from design perspective, from the also from the hardware quality, it's really something special. Then inside we have that deal here, and then it's starting. Clearly want to say well done. Look at here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key. Drücke die Eingabetaste, Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Claire and I, we saw a lot of languages that could be set on MacBook Pro. The voice-over controller are guiding you, and those characters that are seeing on the screen are Mixamo characters from Adobe Cloud. And export them as FBX Unity assets, create your ARKit build for your iPhone or ARCore for your Android. Then you can use also the Luminous for the Magic Leap 1 Creative Edition Air Glasses, as well the SDK for HoloLens 2. Make fun of it. I hope you enjoyed that video as I do, and hope I'll see you soon. Thank you and bye.